arrive in style with this Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 HEMA MDS VVT included, active noise control system 180 amp alternator heavy-duty engine cooling gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds dual rear exhaust with bright tips Hemi badge, quick order package 25Z Bighorn included, engine 5.7 LV8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, Bighorn badge, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, park sense front rear park assist with STOP, 115-volt auxiliary power outlet and Bighorn level 2 equipment grouping.